Have you ever felt overwhelmed by life's demands? In this tutorial, we'll explore practical strategies to enhance your life. Our end goal is to empower you to create abundance and positivity. First, create more than you consume. Focus on contributing actively to your surroundings. Next, create distance from the wrong people. Surround yourself with positive influences. Then, create an I can do this file. Collect motivational quotes and affirmations to inspire you. Show gratitude daily. Acknowledge the good around you to foster positivity. Automate 2 essential tasks in your life. Streamline processes to save time and energy. Get specific about your goals. Clarity in your aspirations will enhance focus and motivation. Audit these 3 buckets: finances, relationships, and health. Assess and optimize each area for balance. Learn something new about money weekly. Knowledge is power in financial literacy. Stop caring about others' opinions. Your journey is unique. Value your own perspective. Understand the yes trap. Avoid overcommitting to please others at your expense. Invest in yourself consistently. Prioritize personal development for lifelong growth. Diversify your financial life. Explore different income streams for safety and growth. Simplify your decision-making. Break down choices into smaller, manageable steps. Network with intent. Build connections that align with your personal and professional goals. Lastly, take action before you feel ready. Confidence grows through experience and doing. Ask the questions that matter. Curiosity leads to deeper understanding and opportunities. Remember the 1% progress rule. Small, consistent improvements lead to significant results over time. In summary, adopt these strategies to foster personal and financial abundance. Now it's time to apply what you've learned. Create your path to success.